Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm so excited because we are going to be unboxing the Boya by M1DM. Dual lavandle mics. I hear they're the best when it comes to starting your YouTube channel. Let's go and unbox this mic and see if it's good. So guys, here is the box. In front you can see they have drawn the mic. It has two mics, and on the side they have written the name of the mic, and on the back you can see the specifications of the mic. Yeah, now let's open the box and see what is inside. So you just push the battery inside here, that way, and then screw back this cover. Now let's put with breakers. And these clips. So a point to note guys, when you are using the mic, if you are using your camera, you are going to push this thing up, but if you are going to be using your smartphone, just pull it down and you are good to go. Now I'm going to be using my phone to test it. Let's do this. Guys, this is the normal audio coming from my phone without the mic. Now I'm going to put the mic on. Let me know if you notice any difference. Now guys, I'm using both mic. They are on me. Tell me if you notice any difference in my voice. Yeah, but going outside to do more testing, maybe because I'm in the house, you may not notice any difference. But let me go outside. We do some more testing and see if these mics are worth buying. This is the audio coming direct from my phone. We don't have the mic inside. Tell me how the audio sounds like. And it's quite windy. I don't know if you can hear what I'm saying, but tell me how the audio sounds like. The mic's on me. Tell me if you can notice any difference from the time I did not have the mics on me. Tell me, have I wasted my money just purchasing this mic? I hope the quality is good. You can still hear me better. I hope the wind, you can't hear the wind as much as you could hear it before. Let me even go further away. Can you hear me, guys? How is the audio? Am I that audible? Or did I waste my money? Tell me down in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Hope I have helped you if you have been thinking of buying these mics. Now you know how they sound like. And if it has helped you guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications when I post another video. Until next time, peace. Hello guys, I'm so excited today because we are going to be unboxing the Boya by the M1DM.